Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese powder milk fudge. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious fudge, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on social media, Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright guys, and all my measurements and ingredients for this Guyanese powder milk fudge will be in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. And also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch my ads in my video, that would help me out a lot to continue to keep bringing videos for you guys, alright? And you can check out my playlist. I will leave a few of my playlists also in the description box down below, alright? And I think it's sometime last year I did Guyanese milk fudge. I used carnation milk to make that one. But in this fudge today, I'll be making it with the powder milk. So it have a different taste, and the powder milk one is much easier to make than the carnation milk one. The carnation milk one, you got to do a lot of stirring and stirring and stirring. But this powder milk one is very easy and simple. So let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese powder milk fudge. Enjoy! Guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese milk powder fudge. So over here I have some white sugar, powder milk, nutmeg and cinnamon stick, butter and vanilla essence. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour my sugar into the pot there, and I'm gonna pour in my milk, and also I'm gonna pour in my cinnamon stick and my nutmeg. And we're gonna give it a stir until all the sugar dissolves. Right, we're gonna keep on stirring and stirring. So we'll be back. Alright guys, my milk has been boiling for about 7 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm looking for the cinnamon stick, but I can't find it. Where the hell is the cinnamon stick? Alright guys, I can't find the cinnamon stick, but that's alright. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your vanilla essence. You're gonna mix it up just like this. Make sure you mix up the vanilla essence with, oh, finally find this cinnamon stick here. You're gonna take it out. So now guys, you're gonna pour in your milk a little at a time. Stir it just like this. Stir it up really good. Just like this. And hold on the set. Give it a stir again. Use both hands. So I'm gonna go stir it some more and we'll be back. My milk powder, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour in my butter and give it a stir. We'll be back. Alright guys, so I finished stirring it up, so I'm gonna take it out and put it in a pan now and let you guys see. Okay guys, so this is my pan here, but I'm just gonna use half of my pan. So I'm going to butter the pan so the fudge will stick. I'm just going to butter like half of the pan. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so I just pour my fudge into this pan here. So I'm going to smooth it out. Maybe it's a little butter. I'm going to smooth it out with some butter here. I'm just doing half of the pan right now. Put a little bit more butter. Guys, I'm videoing with one hand and trying to make the fudge with one hand, so forgive me if it's a little too shaky. Alright guys, so this is the smoothest I can get it right now, so I'm gonna let this cool for a bit and we'll be back when you're ready to cut it. Guys, so my milk powder fudge cooled down a little bit, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it. So we'll be back. I'm gonna cut it off camera. We'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese powder milk fudge. Here it is guys. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. I know it's a little dark because it's like nighttime, but I really want to get these videos out for you guys. So here it is. So this is the fudge here. So I'm gonna taste it here. Wow. Wow. This fudge is so delicious. Wow. But I definitely can't eat all of this. The girl looking to lose some weight, so this is the share out. I can't eat all this fudge. My baby might eat all of it, not me. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching the Guyanese powder milk fudge, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel here. And if you reach the end of the video, thank you guys so much for coming to the end of the video, and don't forget to watch the ads at the end of the video as well too. Alright guys, and you can subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. Alright, so see you in the next video and have a blessed night. Bye.